are going to love the 2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.